Hello everyone, this is Bear with Breached. What I have here today is this is from Dollar Tree. It's just cheap. I was just trying to see how good it might be. But it is from it's Tool Bench Hardware, long shackle padlock, 1.5 inches by 40 millimeters, imported in the USA. That's about all it really says about this. But let's go ahead and open this up and give it a shot. Only take me a second here. There we go. Put that off to the side for now. Alright, first things first. Just going to take off one of these keys. See how this bad puppy works. Make sure it works alright. Here we go. Almost got it here. There. Got a key. Alright, let's put it in here. See if it unlocks. Yep. Beautifully. Yep. Turn it clockwise to open it. Let you have a little look at the bedding here. Get in some light. Yeah, that ain't too bad a bedding there. So, I'm going to go ahead and try to rock it. Or, and rake it first. See how that goes. And then we'll go from there. So, give me just a second here and I'll get this in the vise and ready to go. Okay, come over here. Now, before I get started, I want to make sure here that I can unlock it in the vise. And I can. Okay. Take that out. Now, to do this, I'm going to use top of the keyway tension. I'm using a little comb with a top of keyway tension. I need to get some more because these comb picks right here I got, the tensioners on, I mean they're good, but the tensioners on them are really, really thin and I need some thicker ones. Okay, we're going to use a half snowman to start this off. So the top. Oh, dropped my tension wrench. Alright, let's try another one here. Oh, I'll start my timer. 10 minutes. Okay, let's give this one a shot here. Well, it's turning my vise on me. Alright, try this again. Oop. Got rotation on the core. Well, I tried the snowman, so I'm going to go to the single pin picking now. Adjust my camera here so you can see me. See what I'm doing. There we go. Alright, I'm in. Alright, let's go ahead and give this a fill. Alright, let's try my lunatic pick. Now, so y'all know, whoop, I am using really slight tension on this. Like feather tension. Okay. I'm actually not getting much feedback on this cheap little thing. There's on 3. Man, this little bad boy is holding up pretty good. There, I'm on pin 1. I'm going to 2. Alright, go all the way to the back here.
Wow.
Alright. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Alright. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. There we go. Got the unlock. Alright. You know what's sad? I think I had it picked for a while. I just wasn't turning my tension tool sharp enough. So, I got 1 minute 32 seconds left. So, I'm going to go ahead and try raking it again, but putting just a little more tension on it, because I think this will rake open. But we're getting ready to find out. Alright, let's put my pick in here. Hurry up, for the timer goes off now. I don't want to hear all that beep, 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 beep. Alright, there we go. Yep. Wow, raked right open in seconds. Did y'all see that? Let me get a better camera view. I mean, literally in seconds. That's what I was doing wrong. I wasn't putting enough tension. Ready? Here we go. Watch this. All right, here we go. Bam. Got it. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you like, please subscribe. I'll try to post more as soon as I can and as fast as I can. I appreciate everyone that is watching my channel. This is Barrier, and everyone please have a good night, or try to have a good night at least.